Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A16, and in this video I am going to show you how to improve audio recording quality on this device. Alright, so to improve audio recording quality we have to just install Dolby On from our Play Store. Now we can open the app. Here we can skip, we don't have to create any account, and now by clicking this button we can start recording with way better quality than default audio recorder. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!